Hi, are you a student of information technology? Are you an IT professional? This video is meant for you, and also if you know someone studying information technology or a professional who's your friend who's like from the discipline of information technology, kindly pause on this video. This is COVID-19 alert time. In this time, we need to understand the need for science and technology's integration in handling this pandemic. Let's think about a Hollywood movie that has a lot of dashboards in from like all monitor screens, some GPS thing where the ambulance is set ready, or where someone is like struggling for food or ration, or someone is having some surplus food wants to distribute, or some funder or a donor, or hospitals with bed facilities, hospitals like looking for doctors, nurse, like medicine availability, non-availability. All such things can be tapped or mapped, can be exchanged or shared. If all such things happen in one particular app, one particular application, that's what we are trying in national level. This is going to be a COVID-19 hackathon. This contest is organized nationwide for all IT students or IT professionals. If you have that skill, you can definitely join this contest. So it's going to happen from 29th April to 9th May. In this 10-11 days, this is going to happen. And the last date for you to get registered for this particular project is on 29th April. So the scan code, what you see here, you can scan and register, and also there is a Google link. You can go into the Google form and register yourself. And what basically you need is a like 8 GB RAM computer, which can like help you to program or develop this particular app. It's an open book contest, so you can definitely get in touch with your professors, your friends. You can team up and get into this project and show your skills for social development. This kind of application will support in future not only for such pandemic, even for natural calamities like flood, tsunami, earthquake, etc. This hackathon is actually done in collaboration with Anna University Chennai and Spoken Tutorial IIT Bombay and Madras School of Social Work Chennai and Climate Smart Technology and Derby Foundation Bangalore. And this is also endorsed and supported by Ministry of Human Resource Development and also Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and all cells which is associated with Human Resource Development and Skill Development program. So in this hackathon, whatever features or coding or development you do in the application, the best models will be replicated and can be integrated or be amalgamated. A lot of things will happen in this information technology, and we will have a complete nationwide application. The climate smart tech, such products earlier to Kerala and to Indonesia and Mozambique has been experimented before, and this time it's like we are going to develop a nationwide application with the support of students of information technology and also professionals of information technology. Do you want to know a lot of things about this particular hackathon? So get into the website covid19hackathon.in, and same way go surf and find all the social media pages related to this COVID-19 hackathon.in like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. So get informed and get registered at the earliest. So there are already, we have 500 teams have registered, and it's not enough. We need to have more than 1,000 registrations. So kindly spread the word, kindly spread this video, kindly ensure that a lot of talents get into this project and show their skills and set an example that technology can be supportive for human development.